glad you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go shopping for a new birthday gift. One thing about me is whenever it's my birthday, I prefer to gift myself something instead of doing something extravagant and spending time with people that I am not very close to. So yeah, if it's not traveling, it's gonna be an expensive gadget. And this time around, I got myself a drone. It is much cheaper here in China, but it's also not really cheap. It's still on the expensive side. I'm super excited about this new toy. I got a new toy. Okay. Because I'm traveling tomorrow, I had to get tested, and you guys, it's like almost midnight. I had to come to the hospital where I did my internship, and the queue was super long. I got tested so that I could be able to travel the next day in another province. Just to get tested.
Is the Holy Spirit telling me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am meant to shoot what I got for my birthday vlog, but I think I'm gonna do that later because right now at the moment things are a bit hectic, y'all. If you don't know already, I'm leaving China. So I don't know how I feel about that. Traveling the day after tomorrow, early in the morning. So let's just say I'm traveling tomorrow, and I've got nothing to wear, like nothing at all. So let's stop at Zara. I already went to H&M 2 days ago, and it's very dry. Y'all, this has got to be one of the most difficult phases I have ever been through in my whole adult life. So what happened is that, of course, they kept on like putting new rules and implementing new laws due to the whole panoramic. So I instead decided to stay at a hostel. So I booked a room to stay there for a couple of days before my flight before I could get my flight. It's currently 1 a.m. You guys probably can't see me. I'm looking for a drink. I don't have water. At the hostel they did not have water. So I'm looking for a little store that sells drinks. Honestly, the thing that I'm gonna miss the most about this country is the safety. Especially for girls. The safety for me is just like top notch. I found a store. Shop. I am in love with my nails.
This is nice. I love it.
Yes. I'm with Joy. It's really hot. Vlogging with my phone. Thanks for picking me up, Joy.
The sun is adding to the headache.
We're going to meet Joy's future employer. There I am at the review mirror. Oh my gosh. So hot. Power bank? This?
Yeah.
Oh, you can use it. Yeah.
煮鱼的时候，草帽不要打开，不要碰哦。草帽不要打开，不要碰。
从你来。
对，注意出气口这边看，不要往这边伸手，以免烫伤。叫我们过来下颚。
哦。
我千万不要自己开。
好的。
葱花香菜。
This is how we open the wine. Bottle of wine. Professional way.
When you don't have it open.
Professional way. No, this is exactly the right way. This is go deep.
Deeper.
Yeah, go deeper. They just need all in.
Okay.
All
All
in.
in. Ready. I don't think it's deep enough.
It's not. It's not.
So right now I'm gonna go get my nails fixed, and then I borrowed a mouse t-shirt. I literally asked him, hey, you need to borrow me a t-shirt, y'all. Everything is packed. I'm so dumb. I didn't leave anything out for these past days. But anyways, I'm gonna buy another, like a few stuff, maybe like a dress or something, and later on then I still have to go to the hospital again to get another COVID test, since it's like 1 day extra. And then later on I'm gonna meet up with her. Now I'm gonna go to the beach and just like test out the drone that I bought. So I'm excited about that. I'm looking for a shop where I can buy like a mask before I get my cat. I don't have makeup on today. Literally just have moisturizer and sunscreen on. Guys, not having a bike is just something else. I'm wasting so much money, honestly, on like Didis and taxis and Didi. I think it's like Ubers and stuff like that. So I got myself milk tea, bubble milk tea for the last time. I don't know when I'll drink it again. And then I'm going to H&M to find something. And later on, I'll do other stuff.谢谢。谢谢，我来中国5年多6年多吧。
那也很可以的，说普通话说那么标准。
谢谢，但是1年也可以说啊。我1年的时候已经可以说普通话吧。你今天做核酸吗？
做，我天天做。
哦，
我们这个是天天做的，没有一天不做的。
啊，是。
我们开车的每天都要去做。
是，我也是每天的。嗯。
来这边几年的习 习惯了嘞。
喜欢，喜欢，海南很方便。
来久了就习惯了。
今天有很多车。今天是星期日。
对，今天礼拜天。
礼拜天，所以今天有很多人会来的。外国人不可以买。如果你买房子，你可以。如果你结婚跟一个中国人，
跟中国人结婚就会买。
是，但是没结婚不能买。
这样的。
是这样子。
那也不好吃，不方便了。
是。
不方便。
也方便一点，我觉得，我不知道方便还是不方便。
对啊，他不要买房的话就不方便。
在这里住是差不多3500。
3500个月。
3500一个月。
两房一厅还是两房一厅？
两房一厅。
那也不便宜。
3500。
还好吧。
但是它好，不便宜。如果有海边。不便宜，如果有海边的地方，这样的。是这里。
我知道。我刚跑过路口了。从那边转回来。
没事，也有别的可以，这边也可以去。
掉头了。
我们可以一起走，也可以。
一起走也可以。
是。
因为刚才跟你说着跑说到了。
没事。
跑说那说到了。
有别的门口也可以一起走。我是一个人在这里，没有我的家人不在这。
原来就你一个人。
I am in my old hood. I'm gonna miss it so much. The sea, the beautiful beach, the palm trees. I'm going to take my last parcel. I just received a message that I have a parcel, y'all. How is that possible? So I took a cab real quick and I'm gonna go get my parcel and then we're heading home. This milk tea is doing me good, keeping me hydrated.
literally kill me.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise to protect you like His land. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like there's no way out. Yeah. I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Only putting trust up in the Lord. I know He's got His hands in it for sure. I know that He's a cure. In every situation, you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid, cause you're in the lead. I know that I'll never be the same, cause you set me free. Yeah. That's my guy. He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me